Hey there and welcome back to Taste So Good. Today we are checking out 3 different ways to eat the fired chicken noodles. Alright, so welcome back to Taste So Good. If this is your first time checking out the channel, welcome. We upload weekly videos on Korean food, life, culture, and entertainment, and you don't want to miss a video, so go ahead and click the subscribe button now. Alright, so surely you know these Samyang fired chicken noodles. It's supposed to be the world's spiciest instant noodles. But what I've done today is I've prepared 3 different ways to try these. I have a fired chicken noodle grilled cheese. I have some steamed egg with cheese and the fired chicken noodles. And I have some pork belly and fired chicken noodle sushi, or Kimbap is the Korean style. So I'm going to show you how I made each of these and then we're going to try them out. So the first thing I'm going to try are these steamed eggs. So these have been sitting for a few minutes because I was cooking, so they're kind of sticking together, but they smell really spicy, smell nice and cheesy. I can't wait to try it, so here we go. Wow, so that steamed egg has a really nice fluffy texture. You have that nice cheesy flavor. Takes away some of the heat from the noodles. Like I said, all the noodles are sticking together. Yum. It's kind of like an omelet. Really, it's more like a cheese and ramen omelet. So the cheese really helps take the heat down, so it's not nearly as spicy as it would be. Really excellent. It's not really spicy at all. The spices, there's a hint of spice, but overall it's really nice. So maybe take one more bite and then we'll move on to the next food. Really good. Guys, this recipe is super easy to make. It only takes a few minutes and it tastes really good. If you are on a budget and maybe you're a college student, you're watching Taste So Good, then you might want to try this out because it tastes a little bit fancy, even though it's really cheap and super easy to make. All you need is a microwave and a bowl. Next up, let's try the fired chicken noodle grilled cheese. Alright, so again, this was pretty easy to make, only took a few minutes. It's got basic ingredients. So I've added a lot of cheese onto this because I really like cheese. So you could make this in a pan like you would a traditional grilled cheese. However, I thought making it first in the pan and then adding it to the microwave would be a little bit better because I didn't know with all the noodles. I'm afraid it would get too soggy. So, it smells really nice. So let's check it out. So again, that cheese is really kind of masking that spicy flavor. Yeah, so I got a big bite of the noodles now. So eating it this way, it's obviously a lot of carbs. If you're on the keto diet, you don't want to steer clear of basically everything on this table, but especially this. But you can really taste the flavor of the fire chicken noodles. Normally, I can't really taste it very well because there's so much spice. And I know it sounds a little bit crazy putting instant noodles, especially spicy instant noodles, in a grilled cheese sandwich. But hear me out. It's actually pretty good. Alright, and finally, let's check out the samgyeopsal and fire chicken noodle kimbap. Alright, so this one was a little more difficult to make, so you have a few more steps, but still pretty easy, super quick, about 5 minutes to cook. So if you don't know, kimbap is basically the Korean version of sushi. So the word kim means dried seaweed, which is this outside part, and then the word bap means cooked rice. So when you put it together, you basically have what you might consider a sushi roll. Of course, it's totally different. It's Korean style. So in this one, instead of adding rice, we added fire chicken noodles, and then we've added samgyeopsal. You know what that is? That is basically a grilled pork belly. So here we have the samgyeopsal and fire chicken noodle kimbap. Let's see. All right. It's interesting. So I love samgyeopsal. It's one of my favorite foods to eat. I eat it as much as I can. The lettuce is crunchy. Again, kind of, even though there's no cheese in it, some of that spicy flavor is kind of gone away. This one isn't bad. Everything's my favorite though. Alright, so those are the 3 different ways that you might want to try making the fire chicken noodles at your house. So again, all of these are super easy to make. You don't have too many ingredients and it's pretty budget friendly. So tell me down in the comments below, which of these 3 do you think is the best? Which one would you want to try? I think personally, I liked all of them, but this steamed egg with cheese and fire chicken noodles is definitely the best for me. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. If you'd like to be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and click that subscribe button as we do upload weekly videos and you don't want to miss it. Alright, until next time, have a great day and I'll see you later.